Hi! In front of me is Motorola One 5G Ace, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Permission Manager on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down just a bit and click on Privacy. In it, you need to choose Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's options, like Location. Then click on one of your apps, in my case Chrome, and select the best option for you by clicking on it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time or deny. I will go with deny, so in this case, I need to choose deny anyway in the pop-up and click on the back button. As you can see, after that, Chrome no longer has access to my device's location. But you can always go back, pick any feature, and then look for an app that you are interested in. For example, access camera, so click on Phone. Now tap on See All Phone Permissions instead, and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!